Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Obstetrician.
Let's break it down.
This medical word seems tough, but let's break it down. The correct way is obstetrician. Start with ob, then ste, follow with trish, and end softly with un. Together, obstetrician. Now let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Obstetrician, obstetrician, obstetrician. If you nailed it all 3 times, you just mastered a word that even patients often stumble on.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Obstetrician, 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 obstetrician.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.